Hello guys, we're back. I accidentally stopped the video. I'll just add this in. Hi dude. And another person died in the last part, kind of. So I'll just count this as part 2 instead. We found another tape. So yeah. I think he's after me next. Have you seen him yet, dude? Have you seen you? Has he Oh no! I was literally a few seconds away from dying. Oh.
Well, good for you. I just died.
Alright, you know what? Just to show my fans the jump scare. That's the jump scare, and the reason it's not that scary is because it wasn't random. So, I died. We still need 4 more. That's all we need. 4 more. 4 more tapes. Yeah, just one guy left. I showed my fans the jump scare. Whenever it's random as hell, it's scary as hell, but if you know it's coming, it's not scary. Dope. This is the walking by the shoreline in white noise with the spectator spectating her while she is going in to make an awesome entrance to try to get some more tapes to make some more music. Ow! Then she's going to. Ooh! Then she's gonna. Ooh! Then she's gonna go die. Ooh! Then she's gonna get her ass ripped. Then she's gonna get her ass ripped.
Aren't you gonna make a ghost video with me next?
Yeah, but first we gotta finish this video.
Yeah, it's almost done, right?
We just need 1 more person to die.
What the heck, dude? I'm freaking shooting you guys so many times.
Alright.
It just glitched for me, and he showed his character was bald.
Oh, well somebody died. I know, if you know it's gonna come at some point, then it's not scary. But 2 out of 8. So.
In the memory of Black Mom Ted.
Alright, so. Hot diggity damn. Alright, so I hope all you beasts enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter at Green Machine Comedy Gaming. And I'll see all you beasts in the next video. See ya!